Hi, I'm Sandy Jeremy, Programming and Group Fitness Director at the WAC in the Falls. I'm here to show you how to shake up your workouts with SurfSet Fitness. SurfSet is a full-body approach inspired by one of the world's most athletic sports, surfing. Every exercise on the board is designed to engage your core and stabilize your muscles to surprise your body and create real change. Imagine combining the cardio benefits of spinning with the muscle conditioning benefits of TRX and the strength training on a BOSU. Now throw in some waves and let's have some fun. SurfSet features 4 signature workouts. Balance focuses on breathing, flexibility, core strength, and body control. Here are a few movements: water walkers, ball to bridge, T-pose, and seated chest openers. Burn is a high-intensity, high-tempo workout to help build cardio conditioning. Movements include frog hops, wave runners, plank paddles, and hot sand. Build is focused on strength training and muscle definition. Movements include push-ups, surf squats, surf burpees, and hop-ups. Fun combines it all together to give you a surf-inspired, fun workout. Paddle, pop-ups, squats, and walk the board are a few of the fun surf movements. We are the first club in Wisconsin to offer this unique fitness program. We invite you to experience SurfSet for yourself and move your workouts in a whole new direction. Surf's up at the WAC in the Falls.